You. Um, I'll be talking more on some things you need to know about plantain farming. Okay. Yes, plantain farming is lucrative when it is managed properly, especially in Nigeria and other parts of West Africa, where demands are consistent, you know, that's when it is high. So it is quite lucrative, and but you need to understand and to know some important things before investing into plantain farming. So today I'll be sharing with you a few things that you need to consider before investing or into plantain farming. So the first thing you would need to consider is the land. That is the site selection. It is a very crucial thing that you need to understand, because plantain thrives best in loamy and a well dry soil. You get me now? So you need to avoid waterlogged areas. Understand? Because plantain cannot stand a waterlogged axis. Okay, so areas with high rainfall and or access to irrigation is ideal. Okay, so take note of that very point, that it is very critical you consider the land and the site selection. So that's the first one, and then I move on to the second one, which is the quality soil. It is also very important, because that is a very crucial stage where the results of your plantations would meet. See, the foundation matters a lot. Once you're able to have a very fertile and loamy land, okay, you consider the sucker, which is very, because that's the only thing that will bring forth the seed. Okay, so you have to use an healthy sucker, not water suckers. Okay, so you look for an healthy sucker. Okay, so number three that I'll be sharing with you is a proper spacing. Okay, when planting, it is also very crucial that you consider this crucial point. Okay, so I personally can recommend 2.2 meter by 2.2 meter. Okay, that is the spacing, the distance, or you use 3 meter by 3 meter. They are very important, so that it will not be overcrowded, because it will reduce the bunches size. So plants at the the beginning of your rainy season, it's very important. Understand? So the spacing is very important, because you know what it means. So the best time is during the raining season. And then the number four things I will also be talking about is the nutrition. So the nutrition management is also matters. So you use a decomposed manure. Okay, if you have a poultry that is closer to you can use that one, or any other ones that has been decomposed. Actually use that of the pig manure. Okay, and then it is really giving me a very good result. Okay, so then the other one, which is the fifth one, is the weed control. It is also very crucial. So within 4 to 6 months of your planting, it is very important that you you manage your weed properly. So you have to control it, ensure, because that is a very crucial time where the the uh, the result of your harvest understand speak more fertile. Then the number six of it is the water management. Okay, this is also very an important things. Understand, coupled with you know irrigation system must be in place. You water your what's it called, your your plantain, so that it will be able to yield a very good result for you. And then finally, um, the the suckering. Okay, the suckering is do not allow too much of suckers that is surrounding your plantain to be too much. You can manage them to be maybe like 4 or 5. Okay, so you have to be very intentional about this particular this, and these are the things that would help you have a fruitful, successful, and a very high yield return when you harvest your plantain. Okay, so if all these things are being done properly, okay, then there is always a tendency that your harvesting will be so huge. Okay, so I will encourage you to like and share, understand this on this channel, and then this is to help you get more tips about farming. Okay, helps you to get more tips about real estate. Okay, so we'll be bringing to you an enlightening investment opportunity when it comes to agricultural and real estate. I remain your humble Fagbamiye Oluwatobi. Thank you.